As is the case with most modern day vehicles, the GPF just kills the sound of anything that's got a decent engine in it. So we're going to change that. So this P530 is going to have a Milltek exhaust fitted on it, and we're going to give it its voice. So the installation's been wrapped up. Unfortunately, we didn't get the time and possibility to show the whole installation process, but as you've heard from the video clips already, this thing sounds absolutely killer. It's given back that proper V8 note that it was missing otherwise, mainly because of the emissions issues and trying to keep noises down, sadly. But it sounds fantastic. With the remote function as well, you can opt to open and close the valves on your demand. It also means you don't necessarily need it to be in dynamic mode for it to give you the full noise. But as a whole, it fitted really nicely. The guys at Milltek have given us some great support with this particular product and getting this one over the line. But as a whole, we're really pleased with it. Looks great, sounds great, and on the road performs really nicely as well. So if you've got any inquiries for Milltek or these particular cars, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks a lot for watching, but for the time being, that's this one wrapped, done and dusted. See you guys soon.